Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Miller here. Are you ready for today's Read Aloud 2? Well, you have just watched a video about beginning letter sounds. And so we're going to do an activity with letter sounds. I'm going to put 2 letters up here on my board, and then I am going to ask you, I'm going to give you a sound, and I'm going to say which letter makes this sound. So are you ready? We're going to practice some here. So this is the letter S, and we have the letter J. S and J. Which one of these letters makes the S sound? Is it the S or the J? The S sound. If you said S, you are correct. S makes the S sound. All right, let's do some more. We've got the L and we have the K. Which one of these makes the K sound? K. You guessed it. The letter K makes the K sound. Can you say that? K. Thank you. Good job. All right, let's do 2 more. We've got the H and we have F. Now, I want to know which one makes the H sound. Can you say that? Put your hand up to your mouth, you can feel your breath. Which one of these makes the sound? If you said the letter H, you are correct. All right. We'll try the M, and we will try the W. Which one of these letters makes the sound? If you said M, you are correct. All right. And we'll do one more. Let's do these are very funny looking letters here. B. And the letter, let's see, R. Which one of these letters makes the R sound? Can you say that? R. Very good. Which one would it be, the B or the R? If you said the letter R, you are correct. Very, very good, boys and girls. These are beginning letter sounds. So as you can watch that video again, you can watch this video again. This is something that you can play with your parents at home, just figuring out what sounds the letters make. You get 2 letters and your parents can say what makes the, and give you the sound, and you can guess which one or pick which one makes that sound. So thank you for participating today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.